एक मैसेज जो मेरा है, आप ये मैसेज को YouTube में दिखाओ, क्योंकि YouTube का जो पावर है, डिजिटल मीडिया का जो पावर है, वो सिर्फ त्रिपुरा में नहीं पूरे इंडिया में है. And that message is that we are a civilization, we were a kingdom, we are proud Tiprasas, and our history has to be understood, respected, and learned by the whole of India. And I am not requesting anyone, I am demanding that today, if I am forced to study about people from another country, then there is no excuse for us not studying about our own history, about our own Maharajas, about our own land, about our own culture. Today, the Tiprasa people, all the 19 tribes, know what is the constitutional right, and what we ask for is not against any community, not against any religion. What we ask is for dignity, and ours is a fight for existence and for our dignity and our pride.
इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन जरूर प्रेस करें हमारी वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए.